back in the best part of my home, my kitchen. And for those of you who are now tuning in to my channel, welcome aboard to Andrea Trini's Kitchen, where Andrea had loads of video, lots of lovely homemade cooking. Today I'm going to do a special. It's a sort of a Oriental cuisine. It's stir-fried chicken with vegetables. So let me tell you a little bit about this stir-fried chicken. In order to do the stir-fried chicken, you have to make sure that all your ingredients are already put together. You don't want, when you start to cook your vegetables, that you're now looking to get the carrots or you're now looking to get the sweet peppers. You need to have everything arranged. And here I have, in arrangement, I have some carrots. And this is how I slice my carrots. I sort of slant it. So I have some carrots. This is one carrot. I have half of a bell pepper, red and green. I have some snow peas. We call this same in Trinidad, same. You know, my mother used to force me to eat this when I was a little girl. She used to really force me. I left one to show you how to clean it. So you see the tip here? What you're gonna do is to peel off that little tip here. You understand? Make sure you take that tip off. So these were already washed. And this is some broccoli. This is some scallions or chives as we call it in Trinidad. Some red onion. Some ginger, which I just chopped in small pieces, a small piece of ginger, and about 6 cloves of garlic. And to make the marinade, I have some oyster sauce, I have some soya sauce, I have some cornstarch, and I have some red wine. And also here I have some chicken. This is the chicken breast. Okay, these were already washed. I'm telling you, hand washing is very vital in food preparation. You must wash your hands thoroughly when you're preparing food. I've washed these chicken breasts with lemon and dry them off with paper towel, because you know, if you don't dry them off and you have wet vegetables with water draining from it, you're gonna have a real mushy stir fry. Okay, so what I do now, I'm gonna cut these into small pieces. So you make sure you cut it in small. You want it to be sort of uniform. So you want all of them to be around the same size and thickness, okay? So this is the chicken here. It's just under 1 pound of chicken breast that I'm using. So now to this wok, you want this type, you want to wok with a flat surface so it won't be, you know, off balance when you put it on the stove. And you also want the heat to be on the very high you can have it, right? So that it will fry the chicken very well. Now, the oil of choice that I've used is vegetable oil, right? I'm not going to be using no extra virgin oil. Extra virgin oil makes it kind of soggy. So you want a light oil like vegetable oil or peanut oil or something like that. All right, so I'm going to put about a tablespoon of oil into the wok. Right, and you want to check to make sure that it's hot enough. I cut off a little piece of chicken and drop it in there, and it will move around. Then you know it's ready. Okay, so here the first thing what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to mix the marinade. Yeah, let me make the marinade. Okay, so you put a cornstarch in, cherry, soya sauce, oyster sauce, and you give it a little whisk. You don't want it to be lumpy, okay? You whisk it because I'm going to pour this over the chicken and let it marinate while I see about the vegetables. You give it a little toss. Okay, so now you put back, I just took the wok off the heat because it was a little too hot. Although you really want it hot and nice and true. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to cook the tougher vegetable, which is the carrot. Okay, so I'm going to add the carrot to the wok. And along with the carrot, I want that garlic to be infused with this, with the carrot, and also the ginger. Those three items are the first thing, and you give it a little toss. Okay, so you want the carrot to cook for about a minute, infused with the garlic and the ginger, and you remove it. Okay, so I'm going to be doing it like in batches like, so. Oh, you can smell that garlic. It smells real good. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add, the peppers. You don't want to overcook your vegetables. You want to taste that crunchiness when you're eating it. You don't want it to be all stubby when you're eating. Okay? So you leave it on for a minute. Each one of them, they cook for about a minute. The red onion. See, the wok is very manageable. Don't want to overcook your vegetables, as I've said. Alright, you want to put a little more oil. Just a little bit again, and we're going to do the chicken. Because I'm going to leave back the broccoli and the scallions and the snow peas for last, okay? Because these cook real quick. So now the chicken. The chicken goes in. And it's not much chicken, it's just under a pound. And you let it cook until it gets color. You see the heat is on high, you see the flame? Let it cook down for a minute or so. Add the broccoli to the chicken. Also the snow peas. And you give it a slice off. As I said, you don't want to overcook the vegetables. It smells so good already. We're going to add the additional vegetables that have been previously prepared. We're almost through. I'm going to add an additional bit of soy sauce. No need to put salt to this because the soy sauce already is loaded with salt. But this look and smells so good already. So we're almost through. I'm going to put a little more of the oyster sauce. Okay, everything is bubbling so nicely. Look how lovely the consistency of all of this is. And the last thing I'm going to add is the scallion or side. I love scallions in my cooking. Give it a little toss. And it's about ready for serving. I'm going to be serving this evening with some basmati rice. Just turn the stove off. Wow. Good texture. stir-fry chicken with vegetables. So guys, from my kitchen to your home, I'm presenting you with stir-fried chicken with vegetables and served with basmati rice. Okay, so let me get a taste of the chicken. Wow. You could not imagine how nice this is. No need to go to the restaurant and buy any fancy food. Come to Andrea Trini's kitchen, where loads of recipe comes your way on a daily basis. Subscribe to my channel, like and share, right? And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified of any new video that the girl Andrea has put up. So see you again with another video. This is the girl Andrea saying good night for now.